Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Accidentally sent money to the wrong account or need to reverse a payment? Here's how to reverse money on TymeBank in just a few simple steps. Start by logging into your TymeBank account using the app or their official website. Go to your transaction history to find the payment you want to reverse. Locate the transaction you need to reverse and tap on it to view more details. TymeBank does not allow direct reversal through the app, but you can contact their support team for assistance. Use the help section or call their customer service line to report the issue immediately. Provide the transaction reference number, the incorrect recipient details, and the reason for the reversal. The support team will guide you through the next steps. Once your request is submitted, the TymeBank team will investigate and attempt to recover the funds. Keep in mind that successful reversals depend on the recipient's cooperation. And that's it. Subscribe the channel for next video and thanks for watching.